Factory cable comes in through those two oval holes right there. It runs under the carpet and into the back underneath the center console, the back of the center console. So it runs right here through this side and right here on this side, one on each side. Don't let this stud fool you. There's a nut on here that I took it off because I was gonna take off this bracket to help me get the cables out. This bracket is spot welded right there and right there down to this bracket. So you cannot remove this. There's no point in taking off this nut. The way that I got the cable out of here, if you see, note this little hole, there's another one right here. And on the other side, you can see them as well. So one right there, and then there's one right here. Okay. Remember those clip tabs on the cable? Those things fit into here, they clip into here, and that's how it remains retained into this bracket. Remember the little part in the cable where it looks like you could fit a wrench on it? Well, it's a 12mm wrench. That part of the cable lands right here behind the bracket. All you gotta do, obviously first, you have to remove the end of the cables out of this bracket. It's fairly simple. Since they were already unhooked from the axle, this is pretty loose, and you just bend them up and pull them out. Once you get them out of here, then you can put the wrench on the cable right about here, and you can turn the cable, and you'll watch those clip tabs in here move, and as they slide underneath this part of the bracket where there are no holes, it pushes those tabs in. And then just put another hand, or have somebody else help you, put another hand on the cable further back. And as one person turns the cable here with the wrench, it releases the pressure off the tabs, and you can pull the cable back and out of there. And once you pull it out, then they run through these holes. So you'll have to crawl underneath and pull them through. I crawled underneath and pulled them through, and I had somebody else up here inside the Jeep feeding them out, guiding them under the carpet. So these are those tabs that go in those little holes. And this is the part you can put a wrench on. Once you turn the cable like this, turns those tabs into the part of the bracket where there are no holes, and it squeezes them in. And then put another hand, have somebody else pull the cable back, and it pulls out of that bracket. And that's it. I wanted to put this video on YouTube because I was looking and looking and looking, and I couldn't find anything I had to figure out by myself. So yeah, hope this helps you guys. Leave any questions you got in the comments below. Thanks.